How to hide phone number when making calls on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open phone app on your device. Then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen in here. You'll find all these options pop up. Now, in these options, simply click on settings, which is the second option. After that, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on calling accounts. After you've clicked on calling accounts, click on more features. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on caller ID and call waiting. After you've done that, if it's available in your region, you can simply turn on caller ID. After that, you're good to go. This is how to hide phone number when making calls on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.